Everything begins here, in vast wheat fields. Timing the harvest correctly decides flour quality. Modern machines harvest thousands of kilos per hour. Precision cutting reduces grain damage. Quality control starts before the factory even exists. Farmers visually inspect grain immediately. Damaged or wet wheat is separated. Only clean harvest moves forward. Moisture levels are measured on-site. High moisture causes spoilage later. This step protects food safety. Harvested wheat is sealed and transported. Contamination must be avoided completely. Next stop, the milling facility. Wheat is stored under controlled conditions. Temperature and humidity are monitored. Storage protects freshness before milling.
Sensors detect grain movement and quality. Human supervisors oversee automation. Nothing is left unchecked.
Before milling, wheat is cleaned thoroughly. Dust, stones, and husks are removed. Purity improves flour consistency. Only approved wheat reaches milling. This ends the agricultural phase. Industrial transformation begins next. Milling breaks wheat into fine flour. Rollers work in multiple stages. Texture is carefully controlled.
Flour is sifted repeatedly. Bran and impurities are removed. Only smooth flour continues.
Lab tests confirm protein levels. This affects chapati softness. Human approval is mandatory.
Flour moves through sealed systems. Air exposure is minimized. Freshness is preserved. Flour is packed hygienically. Workers verify batch numbers. Traceability is ensured.
Only certified transport is used. Cross-contamination is prevented. Factory delivery begins.
This is where chapatis are made. Flour enters under strict protocols. Production is about to start. Exact quantities are measured. Consistency is non-negotiable. Every batch must match. Flour is stored under controlled humidity. Moisture affects dough behavior. Preparation is complete. Flour moves automatically to mixing. Human monitoring ensures accuracy. Transformation begins now.
Flour meets purified water here. Mixing activates gluten. Texture begins forming.
Water ratio affects softness. Machines adjust automatically. Humans verify results. Powerful mixers simulate hand kneading. Uniformity is critical. No dry pockets allowed.
Dough elasticity is tested manually. Feel still matters. Technology supports human judgment.
Dough exits in large batches. Timing now becomes critical. Resting improves structure.
Resting relaxes gluten tension. This prevents tearing later. Patience improves quality.
Resting time is carefully controlled. Too long ruins texture. Precision matters.
Dough is divided equally. Weight consistency is essential. Uniform chapatis depend on this. Each portion becomes one chapati. Errors multiply at scale. Inspection continues.
Defects are removed immediately. Waste is minimized. Only perfect dough proceeds.
The divided dough is rolled into smooth balls. Shape uniformity prevents cracks later. Thousands are formed every minute.
Surface smoothness is essential. Even small imperfections matter. Human eyes still monitor the line.
Spacing ensures accurate pressing. Crowding causes shape defects. Automation keeps perfect rhythm.
Each dough ball is weighed instantly. Incorrect portions are removed. Consistency protects brand trust.
A short rest improves elasticity. This prevents tearing during pressing. Timing is everything.
Balls enter pressing machines smoothly. No human touch is required. Hygiene remains intact. Belts are food grade and sanitized. Clean movement prevents contamination. Pressing begins next.
Sensors detect each dough ball. Machines respond instantly. Precision replaces hand rolling. Operators adjust thickness digitally. Human oversight remains critical. Automation follows instructions exactly.
This is the last moment before flattening. Shape determines final texture. Transformation happens now.
Presses flatten dough in milliseconds. Thickness is precisely controlled. Speed increases dramatically.
Perfect circles are essential. Uneven edges burn during baking. Machines ensure uniformity.
Pressure determines softness. Too thin dries the chapati. Too thick cooks unevenly. Cameras inspect surface smoothness. Wrinkles are rejected instantly. Quality control is non-stop. Defects never reach ovens. Early rejection saves energy. Efficiency protects profits. Spacing ensures even baking. Crowded chapatis stick together. Precision prevents losses.
Speed matches oven capacity. Every stage must sync. This keeps production smooth.
Softness is tested randomly. Machines don't replace human judgment. Both work together.
Chapatis move quickly to heat. Delays dry the surface. Timing remains critical. This is where cooking begins. Heat transforms dough permanently. Mistakes here can't be fixed.
Oven settings change by batch. Flour quality affects heat response. Human adjustment ensures consistency.
Chapatis enter extreme heat. Cooking takes only seconds. Control is absolute.
Pressing and baking are perfectly timed. Any delay affects quality. Automation maintains rhythm. Heat activates steam inside. This causes puffing later. Texture begins forming.
This oven never stops running. Thousands cook every minute. Precision controls everything.
Ovens operate at exact temperatures. Too hot burns instantly. Too cool leaves raw dough.
Steam inflates the chapati. This creates softness inside. Timing must be perfect.
Ovens have multiple heat zones. Each stage cooks differently. Sensors adjust automatically.
Color indicates doneness. Light brown means perfect bake. Dark spots mean rejection.
Operators fine-tune heat constantly. Environmental changes matter. Experience guides decisions.
Some chapatis flip automatically. Both sides must cook evenly. Balance prevents toughness.
Undercooking weakens structure. Overcooking dries the bread. Sensors watch continuously.
Chapatis exit extremely hot. Moisture must escape safely. Cooling starts immediately.
Flexibility shows proper baking. Cracking means failure. Only soft chapatis pass.
Even baked chapatis are inspected. Quality control never stops. Only approved products continue. Cooling prevents condensation. Trapped moisture causes spoilage. Airflow is carefully controlled. Cooling prevents condensation. Trapped moisture causes spoilage. Airflow is carefully controlled. Cooling time is calibrated. Too fast hardens chapatis. Balance matters.
Structure stabilizes during cooling. Texture locks in permanently. Next comes stacking.
Final softness is confirmed here. Rejected pieces are removed. Perfect chapatis move forward.
Chapatis are stacked automatically. Alignment prevents packaging damage. Speed is extremely high.
Each stack has exact count. No extra, no missing. Accuracy builds consumer trust.
Stacks are separated cleanly. No human touch required. Hygiene remains strict.
Operators verify counts manually. Automation is supervised. Mistakes are prevented early. Misaligned stacks cause seal failures. Precision matters even here. Packaging is next.
Stacks move gently. Pressure would damage texture. Design protects softness.
Stacks are inspected again. Only perfect stacks proceed. Final stage approaches.
Compression checks durability. Stacks must survive transport. Weak stacks are rejected.
Compression checks durability. Stacks must survive transport. Weak stacks are rejected.
This is the final transformation. Freshness must be locked in. Nothing can go wrong now.
Packaging protects freshness immediately. Exposure time is kept extremely short. This step preserves softness.
Stacks enter without shifting. Alignment prevents seal failure. Speed prevents moisture loss.
Heat seals the package instantly. Air exposure is eliminated. Freshness is locked inside.
Seals must cool properly. Weak seals fail during transport. This step ensures durability. Every pack is traceable. Batch codes link back to raw wheat. Accountability is complete. Each package is digitally logged. Inventory is updated instantly. Nothing leaves untracked. Packaging is inspected again. Even minor defects are removed. Only perfect packs survive.
Humans still test softness manually. Technology supports experience. Taste begins with touch.
Packaging is complete. Fresh chapatis are now protected. Storage comes next.
Thousands of packs per hour. Every movement is optimized. Efficiency defines scale.
Final approval happens here. No pack skips inspection. Standards are strict.
Retail packs are grouped for shipping. Cartons protect against damage. Logistics efficiency improves.
Cartons are sealed and labeled. Now the journey continues beyond the factory. Storage begins.
Temperature affects softness. Storage conditions are critical. Even sealed packs need care. Temperature affects softness. Storage conditions are critical. Even sealed packs need care.
Airflow prevents condensation. Moisture causes spoilage. Design protects quality.
Storage is monitored constantly. Data ensures compliance. Human oversight remains essential.
First in, first out is enforced. Older stock ships first. Freshness is prioritized. Movement is controlled and careful. Shock damages structure. Precision handling matters.
Some regions require cold transport. Temperature stability is maintained. Quality travels safely.
Orders are prepared by region. Timing affects freshness. Distribution begins soon.
Every pallet is verified. Errors here affect millions. Accuracy is mandatory. Products leave controlled environments. Now logistics takes over. The factory hands off responsibility. Transport readiness is confirmed. Conditions must remain stable. Distribution begins now.
Loading follows strict sequence. Damage prevention is critical. Every second counts.
Loads are secured tightly. Movement causes damage. Stability preserves quality.
Every vehicle is tracked live. Delays affect shelf life. Logistics is data-driven. Road quality matters. Shock affects texture. Suspension systems help protect goods.
Chapatis reach regional hubs. From here, local delivery begins. Speed remains critical.
Local teams verify shipments. Errors are corrected immediately. Freshness is protected.
Smaller trucks handle last-mile delivery. Timing is precise. Retail shelves await. Deliveries happen before stores open. Freshness meets demand. Consumers never see this part. Retail staff confirm quality. Damaged goods are rejected. Standards continue outside the factory.
Presentation matters at retail. Packaging communicates trust. First impressions sell.
Consumers judge freshness instantly. Quality must be obvious. Packaging speaks silently.
This moment ends a long journey. The process becomes invisible. Only the product remains.
The seal breaks for the first time. Freshness is revealed. Industry meets tradition. Softness survives transport. Heat revives texture. The process worked. The seal breaks for the first time. Freshness is revealed. Industry meets tradition. Softness survives transport. Heat revives texture. The process worked.
Quality reaches the table. Millions experience this daily. Few see the system behind it.
The cycle continues. Consumption completes production. Sustainability matters too. Packaging is designed responsibly. Waste impact is considered. Modern food goes beyond taste.
This journey spans continents. Many systems work together, all for one simple food.
While families eat, factories continue. Production never truly stops. Demand never sleeps.
Simple ingredients. Extraordinary coordination. This is modern food production.
Softness is engineered. Consistency is manufactured. Tradition meets technology. From wheat fields to kitchens, every step mattered. Nothing was accidental.
Millions are made this way every day. Few ever see how. Now you do. Subscribe for more hidden food factories. The next process is even more surprising. See you in the next one.